What is going on, guys? Today we're gonna be doing a rundown of this Genesis right here. So tell us a little about your Genesis and what mods you've done to your car.
Alright, this is my 2015 Honda Genesis Coupe R-Spec. I did some, basic appearance mods, but let's get over that. So right here I got the VIS duckbill carbon fiber, the Arc Performance carbon fiber diffuser. The exhaust setup is actually from Nameless. It's an axle back exhaust. So I got the no muffler option. 4-inch dual tips, so it's pretty loud and it fits nicely with the diffuser. Also got custom mid pipe with a gutted secondary cali converter. In the rears, overall it's a clean mod. And so these wheels for Dovin 4.9s, 19-inch. Wrapped with Continental's Extreme Contact DWS 06. Super grippy, super grippy. And of course, comes stock with the Brembo brakes. On my suspension right now, I'm running the PBM coilovers right now. Not even that low.
Oh no, that's pretty low. We're gonna go with it again. It barely fits a finger. Can't even show you guys this little suspension. We can see a little bit right there. There we go.
I can't forget about the eBay quality window visor.
That's actually pretty good quality for being eBay. Yeah. $70. It's pretty $70. Can't even get the spoiler for my car that much.
Hell yeah! All right, the interior. Whew. Got the SoCal steering wheel. Custom.
I know a lot of you guys have been actually asking about basically where he got this steering wheel from. I personally think it looks phenomenal.
Yeah, this bezel actually is sold separately. You have to pay an additional like $100 for it. Yeah. But these are custom made. You can like change the color right here, change stitching. You can get it for suede material.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
So we got some hentai up there.
You guys
Oh yeah, we've already showed you guys that in another video.
Simple engine mods. Not much. I got the co-rear intake.
I also see that you got a sway bar right there.
Oh, that's stock. I'm playing it
stock?
Yeah, stock.
What? Not even my car has a sway bar.
That HIDs, of course. Dual LED turns amber when you hit it. LED fog lights with no tint going on.
Yeah, I was about to say, it looks like it's kind of tinted right there.
Yeah, it's a little bit tinted. If a rocket's there, I'm screwed.
Yeah, you're kind of screwed if you get a rocket there.
Got the M&S 3-piece lip. Planning to change that soon to like a polyurethane one piece. It's on eBay.
So there's the banner that we installed. The video is right here. We did not actually install that. You actually installed that early after the video.
It's getting dirty. I need to wash the car. Sorry.
That's pollen. So we're gonna be expecting another video doing gloss black installer.
No, I'm getting professional.
Oh, we're paying someone to do this. Alright, never mind.
I don't know how to do it.
Never mind. I thought we were gonna do it. So that's pretty much gonna wrap up today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, put a thumbs up and subscribe if you already haven't. Otherwise, guys, have a great day.